Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use a blurry effect on your clip by CapCut application. So first thing now we have to do, just go visit the CapCut application. And now if you have no project yet, as usual, you need to start a new project by click this new project and choose the video that you want to make or add the blurry effects to. But here I want to use my project. I already have this video that I already edited before, and I want to add the blurry effect on it. So you don't need to activate the clip, you just need to focus on this button features, and now you just need to visit the effects. And this effects will have an access to use these tools. You just need to go click video effects. In this video effects, you just need to type blur on a search button, and after that just go click search. Now you can just search looking for which blur effect that you want to add to your video. For example, I would like to have this blur close, and after you're done choosing the effects, you just need to go click done. You can also adjusting which when exactly the clip that you want to have this blurry effect. For example, you want to start it here. Okay, and now let's have a try. You can see the video is start being blurry. So that's the way how to add a blurry effect on a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.